blocks. Brooklyn, we in Bushwick right now. You already. It's your boy DJ Taz, www.djtazmat.com. Mr. Dope Chef, we out here. You already. We rocking with the Diva today. Everything lit. TF Radio. Let's get it. We mobbing. Bushwick is looking lit right now. Everything is graffiti work. Doing this shit lit. We on these back blocks.
It looks nice and keeps nice.
You know, if anything, before anything, we're going to spruce it up and have it looking A1 condition.
I understand what you're saying, but
Not really, no, like little cigarette butts, shit
Oh,
like
I
that.
see.
You know what I'm talking about? You got the Cheshire Cat on the wall back here.
That's surprising right there.
What, the Cheshire Cat?
So what y'all have right there, like the elements and stuff like that with the graffiti and
Well, that's the bar.
Nice.
Anytime that
At the show the other day, I was
she showed
begging
it to
her
you,
for the shirt, bro.
yeah.
She gonna give it to you?
Nah, she said she had it for somebody else, but then I hit up the next day,
That website?
and she was like, I should have gave it to her.
All those things are building. I mean, I have
It was a shirt, like a bleach shirt, and it had Baron Samedi on it.
Oh, okay.
The witch doctor.
Yeah.
That shit was crazy.
Yeah, she got some nice
But basically, I just want to, bring more visibility to the establishment.
If it was possible, even like I'm just looking at this wall here, and I know it might sound kind of impossible at first, but like to even have somebody holding on the wall, like I thought the space would be big enough to have the I like to use like still light lamps.
Oh, okay.
And just have them there and hopefully they change but there's not enough room to have them and people like that. You know what I'm saying? So I would probably now have to implement something like maybe like mannequin or like something that won't take up too much room.
I got the connect for that too. So,
You know?
it's never
Just brainstorming right now on
it's never an issue. Like I could get my hands on pretty much anything.
this is a back area and it's zoned for residential and everything like that. So an area like this, if you really wanted to do the fashion thing, the perfect thing would be to get those silent earphones, have a DJ play, because it can be performance. Have a DJ set up and stuff like that and do a silent party too, where they're looking at the fashion and art. I mean, that's
there you go, the silent thing again. I'm so against that. I don't even like giving
Nah, they have
They
have
do that right here.
performances.
Yeah,
they have
they do that right
performances
here.
in there, right?
Like I said, they used to do performances back then.
Yeah, they used to do performances.
This was the whole stage. I mean,
Yeah,
back
Apex
here, right there was stage. They had live instruments.
Now you gotta try this.
That's why
What is it where everybody
I got cameras, I got this, that, I got the station, I got the show. It could look like a music video all day long if you wanted to. And as a personality, I'm never gonna make you out to be the bad guy. That's for you to do. If you do that in an interview, that's your business. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, which is shining light on who you say you are. I know who I am. So after that now, you talked all that, you did the song and dance, even if you're a web series, you talked all that, and you know what, y'all want to perform a little play at the show, the stage series? Let's see how y'all act out a scene from what y'all just did. Better than that, I'm pretty sure all these web series and stuff have talent that do music and other things, spoken word. I've had them come up and do things on the stage. I'm open to whatever that talent equals. As a talent scout, I don't mind seeing, and my audience won't mind seeing either.
What was the lady that actually came and did the spoken word? That other
She's a blogger.
she's a blogger.
She's
but
a blogger. She's a very popular blogger. And amazingly, you know, people aren't just talented with just one thing. If
versatile artist.
Yeah,
Because it's just not
he's-
artistry,
he
it's
does
artist to where he
hip-hop,
goes from entertainment to clothing, fashion.
all that. And not only that, to be an artist, another thing that he has is sales. He knows how to sell himself because he knows what his brand is. So now, coming onto my show, but it's basics, is going to be something that obviously not everybody's going to know how to brand themselves. We're all a work in progress, don't get me wrong, but artist development is what I'm about. So no one can be upset with the idea of, oh my God, she just gave me a great interview, and now I get to actually show what I do, for real, like, and you know, if it's not your best work, at least we can review the footage later. We can be able to say what I can do better. Hey, you know, the audience responded to this. I can sit with you and review footage with you and be able to do that because I take it seriously. I'm self-taught as a talent scout. Hey, for everybody else who sits there, does The Voice, America's Got Talent, and all these different things, somebody had to have influenced them somehow to say you're good enough or you're not good enough. Everybody's maybe trained in their own right. So now this is the training, straight up and down, and it's no gong show about it. It's only about making sure that in artist development, artists really feel like there's somebody that gives two fucks about developing them. We're not just gonna sit here, interview you, shuck and jive all over the place.
Right.
Go ahead, shuck and jive, but then what? You getting shows, you going on showcases, you're not winning shit.
Because a lot of them can't market themselves.
Thank you. And like I said, it's because they're not branding themselves right either. And on Butters Basics interview, you're gonna recognize why. Look at the interview after I'm done with it.
Professional.
Look at it after I'm done with you. And even in I've had recently one of my biggest. Nobody's bigger than the other. Don't get me wrong. But I've had a very popular actor, Darius McCrary, just came on the show. He's Eddie Winslow from Family Matters. I grew up with him. Y'all grew up with him. He came on to my show to talk about what he's doing next. So for all the artists that think that, you know, you're bigger than life already, guess what? Even somebody that's mad bigger than you, or probably bigger than what you might ever be, because some of your friends won't tell you that you need to stop. Facts. Even this man is still grinding and working. And I will go out and I film Mano, Prodigy, I film Joel Ortiz, I film AZ. Everybody that y'all like, I go out on the grind and I take my own camera and I'll go film them and I'll intertwine that with my own show so that people can see, oh shit, I want a show with Joel Ortiz. I want a show with Prodigy. Yes, motherfucker, you're on a show with them for good reason because they're artists just like you. Learn something from what they're doing. You're not as in the stars as you think you are until you put in that work. They working.
Here's a question for you. Like, the cultural diversity and stuff in hip hop is changing. You understand? Like, it's not the same no more with the influence, but like with the venues itself. When you get concept of hip hop, what comes to your mind of bringing a venue and an artist like Retro C up in the same place and actually making the concept and the hard work behind it? You understand? Nobody sees that you actually came out, you know, did your show, your concept as an independent woman in music and stuff like that to actually start optimizing the name, meaning keyword syncing the name to where people look you up and you come up as somebody. That's crazy, you know, like it's something that, you know, is influential to hip hop and the culture. You understand? And you're bringing that. So you being here with, you know, a venue owner, you understand, and trying to put this concept together where it's, you know, a party that people will talk about and keep coming to. That's the concept that you have to put, you know, behind it and stuff. Your whole demeanor change, the character, that swag of a place. You look at it, automatically have an outline, and I see that you already do that. So it's a good thing to actually, you know you and to, you know, hopefully be working with you.
You know what? To follow up on the last thing that I was saying, and you asked me about hip hop culture. In a sense, everybody could G off. Straight like that. And I'm talking about not just G'ing off in the fact of getting paid at a venue, but G'ing off in the feeling that, yo, we did something great here. We united a bunch of people that might not have ever came together to appreciate each other's talents. Like, rap. Hip hop is a part of a bigger culture.
No, I said for the war.
Meet up in DTA. You already know what it is, man. This is networking's best. Rock Road to Riches, DJTazman.com, DTFradio.com. Check that Borders Basic Show. Live the Red, we gonna do something with it.
What up?
Yeah, definitely, you know. But we here live. We're gonna have something. I don't know if this was supposed to be lunch. Mine's will be
Rock and roll, just right music. This and DTF Radio. I'm trying to see. Like this shit. Grow from the rock to the top. Going non-stop.
a little freestyle. Yo, Chaz, hit him with the freestyle.
Nah. Hold that
Don't
for
do it
later.
yet.
Hold that for later. Don't do it yet. You know niggas is hungry. You might make shit worse.
She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't looking at you, but she looking at me. She ain't talking to you, but she talking to me. At the end of the night, man, she leaving with me. At the end of the night, man, I'm busting the cheeks. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me.
She not jigging for you, but she jigging for me. Ay. I give her GCs cause that's nothing to mix. Told her run for the money, ain't nothing for free. The pieces they shooting like Curry from 3. All of my niggas get money. All of my niggas they jerk. All of these haters be hating. I see them broke niggas, they looking. My niggas get money, we not with the fuck shit. My niggas pull up at your function. My niggas don't shoot when y'all niggas is thugging. Y'all niggas is pussy. My niggas, they want it like These hoes call my phone when they want it from me. I hit up Philippe to get something to eat. They know that a nigga came straight from the streets. Now I'm on a plane going straight to Belize. All of my hoes on the wall, all of my hoes in the mall, all of my hoes in the store. Getting it back for a nigga, they know that we on. They know that I'm putting them on, I'm putting it on with all this designer shit. That's why I feel that recliner shit. I fuck with bitches that be modern.
She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't looking at you, but she looking at me. She ain't talking to you, but she talking to me. At the end of the night, man, she leaving with me. At the end of the night, man, I'm busting the cheeks. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. Shorty a 10 and you stalking her gram and you all in the DM. You know she involved, her status say married, I know that you see it. You swag on the belly, if that girl is mine and you think you could cheat. If she hit you back and you getting some play, then my nigga, you keep it. That ain't the case in this bitch. Ain't no replacing my bitch. These hoes be thotting for tricks. My girl be popping them clips. Cake like a bakery making. I know it looks slow, but you most of you fake. She so hard that she give it, she take it. My kid and her cat, I can't give it a break. She hit my line, it's blinging. I bust a dance and I'm singing. She know what I want and she bring it. I crown on my queen, I'ma ring it. That's my John, my playlist on her iPod. If you wanna try, then try hard. You say you hit, that's lies, dog. She here with me, you tellin' rumors. I'm in the field, you not a shooter. We in the track, she got the Ruger. You try and bust, she'll put it through you. Me having Wobby, she fucking with me, so I'm all on her body. If you try to touch me, she catching her body. It's you where you looking, my nigga, come find me. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't fucking with you, but she fucking with me. She ain't looking at you, but she looking at me. She ain't talking to you, but she talking to me.